Nicodemus said to him, "How can these things be?" Jesus answered him, "Are you the teacher of Israel and yet you do not understand these things?" John 3:9-10, ESV. This passage reveals a critical moment where Jesus addresses Nicodemus, a respected teacher, who struggled to grasp spiritual truths. Jesus' question, filled with bewilderment, underscores the weight of responsibility carried by those who teach. As a teacher by profession, I can resonate deeply with this moment. When an expert assumes I should know something but I fail to deliver, their bewilderment mirrors what Jesus felt. Teaching is a profound responsibility, one where ignorance isn't easily excused. A teacher is expected to be ever prepared, constantly learning, and meditating on their subject, raising and answering questions in their own mind before others ask. This discipline is akin to a soldier's drill, rigorous and intentional, so that when challenges arise, they can respond with readiness and precision. If a teacher neglects this calling, succumbing to self-indulgence or apathy, the impact is catastrophic. It's not just their loss but their students and societies. Education stagnates, minds remain unchallenged, and society becomes paralyzed by ignorance. This apathy is one of the gravest failures a teacher can commit. Yet, Jesus also models grace. Though Nicodemus faltered, Jesus explained and guided him patiently. This reminds us, as teachers, to balance the responsibility of accountability with compassion. In doing so, we not only impart knowledge but also inspire transformation in those we teach, leaving a legacy of growth and understanding.